Hi YouTubers, today we're doing a brake bleed on a transporter. You don't need the diagnostic tool to do this. You can just connect up straight to the nipples and bleed the system. Anyway, I'll show you how it's done and the vacuum pump that I'm using. Okay, so this is the hand vacuum pump I'll be using. You can buy these online, they're not expensive. It's just hand operated like that. Connect that to the bleed nipple and you can do this on your own. In the book here I can show you the procedure. This is out of the, that tells you there the correct procedure, which one to do first to last. So we'll follow that and we can't go wrong. So let's have a look at the tools we're going to need. First of all, we're going to need a jack, a couple of bottles of brake fluid, your vacuum pump. If you haven't got 11mm, you can use a 7/16. We've also got a proper brake one here, 11mm. Torch in case you need it, and some gloves so you don't get brake fluid all over your hands. And the reason to change in the brake fluid, also something you want something to lay on too. The reason to change the brake fluid is with the heat. It's no good on brake fluid, and also brake fluid's hydroscopic, which means it absorbs moisture, which is no good in brake fluid. So this hasn't been done for about a few years, so yeah, time to do it, and let's get into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is take the cap off, pull out the strainer filter out of the reservoir there. Then we want to suck the fluid out with our vacuum pump. Suckle out till it's all gone. Okay, so once you get your fluid sucked out of there, you get your new bottle of brake fluid, fill that up. Then we can bleed the brakes. Remember to keep that topped up, otherwise if it gets air in it, you get to fill the system. So bleed a brake, top it up. Bleed a brake, top it up. Okay, so once you've finished bleeding all your calipers, tightened up all the bleed screws, just check your brake fluid level, pop your little screen back into place, like that, put your cap back on, then you just want to check the brake pedal is nice and firm, so we'll do that next. Okay, final step is to check your brake pedal. It should be nice and firm. If it's spongy, you've got air in the lines, you'll have to re-bleed the whole system again. But as long as you keep vacuum in the vacuum pump, you won't have any problems. So that's nice and hard. The only thing to do then is to take it for a test drive to make sure all the brakes are working fine. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.